everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. So this is aquarium that I never normally show on my channel because I just use this to go out and probably to breed a few fish. Now this is my Severum Frank, right? So I came by the aquarium and I saw that there were no ear in one of my, well, no ear. There are about 5 aquariums in this spot, right? So I have an ear pump for that one and an ear pump for that one. I realized that one of them had no ear coming into it. So upon checking, I realized something. I realized that a section of the ear pump actually broke out within the it's actually stuck within the what do you call it, the tubing that put the air to that. Channel the air to the ear pump, well, to the that channel the air to the filter, right? Now as a result of that, no air was actually coming through here, right? So what I had to do is to actually search for a pump that I had that as a result of heavy downpour of rain a few months ago, it stopped working, right? So this section just stopped functioning. But I had this is the bottom inch I just took off, right? I had this one, I just installed it, I took it out, right, and I actually replaced it, and it's working out okay right now, right? So I looked for one of my old pumps and I actually did some exchange. Now the purpose of this video is to share with you that sometimes you might have defective machinery, equipment for your aquarium. Don't throw it out just yet, because you may never know, you might need a part or two from it so as to, you know, repair something that you have. So this air pump is up and running again, and I'm replacing it back into the same space that it was before, so as to get my Severum and my other fish getting some air. So another point is that it serves you best when you actually get the same type or model of system going across your system. Well, this is a Marina, right? And I have quite a few of these. Now if I had, let's say, some Whisper or a Tetra or some other model type of pump, I would have to just call it a loss. Yeah, this is where it broke, right? I don't know what happened, but it just broke. I would have to just call it a loss and practically get a new pump. But because I had been practicing the whole idea of actually sourcing the same type of pump for my aquarium systems, same too with my my power heads, I realized that it's worked to my advantage. So I'm going to be placing back the cover on this, right? And we're going to see how it works. Here is the pump. I'm going to be plugging, I'm going to be actually placing the hose into the hole for the pump to see how it works. Now my pump is now in function again. My Severum Frank is doing great, and everything is back to normal. As I shared before, there are advantages in keeping some of these stuff that might not work as how they should, because you might even need parts from them going forward. Thank you very much for stopping by, guys. Have a wonderful day. Peace out. Catch you next time. Bye bye.